the reality of it, but because this is a lot of mechanical injury through these channels that are being created here. So this is going to help improve. I'm actually
we are, guys. After these lives, we're going to show you an amazing before and after, guys.
One of our patients actually similar skin tone as her, that had very deep scars and did one treatment, and we were able to get a huge improvement.
We have some questions from our friends. What do you guys think of Secret RF?
Well, I'm telling you guys right now,
what are we using?
Based on all the experiences that we have, I'm going to turn you left. There you go. This is the device that gives us the best results. We've used Secret, we used Infinity, we used EndyMed Intensive, we've used, I think Genius was another one. We have Morpheus and Fractura, we have Vivace, but we keep coming back to using Pixelate.
Doctor, do we numb the face before we use that? Yes, guys.
A lot of numbing is required.
Guys, I promise you we numb the face.
Oh my God, I can't.
Yes, guys, we're doing microneedling.
I would be the meanest doctor.
We're not using insulated needles, guys.
I would be the meanest doctor ever if I didn't.
Ask me, what is this called, guys? This is our Pixelate Deep Microneedling Radio Frequency by Aurora Aesthetics. We're trying to retouch these acne scars, build some collagen, stimulate production. And
there's some new treatments that are going to be coming up in the future that I will expose you guys to when they come out, and if they're good for scarring. Right now, the treatment is combination therapy.
You guys will always see the new combination, new treatments here first, because we're the first ones. We just did it in Florida. We did our brown mesh threads. We're the first ones doing them on live. You guys can check that out. So what laser is the best for deep acne scars?
Well, it just depends on your skin tone. You really need to do a consult with us, because in this case, she's very light skin tone, very pretty light eyes. That means we can go much stronger on laser. Now, I want you guys to know that in certain lasers, depending on how strong you go, they can take many weeks to heal. And even a few weeks afterwards, you can get hyperpigmentation. In her skin type, you can have red and some scabs for even a few weeks. So even though typically a CO2 laser, which is what we're gonna do next after this pixel, is about a week of downtime, you know, there's healing that occurs. So like even still, she's gonna have a light pink for a while on her skin. She's gonna have some scabbing and sensitivity, and it's gonna take us a few months to really start to see all the outcomes. So you gotta have patience when you do these treatments. What were you saying?
You use the same machine for brown sunspots, you guys. We do not use this machine for that. We have several other devices. We have some skincare. If you guys can't make it to us, we do have lots of skincare. We ship you anywhere in the world, guys, to MRHcosmetics.com. We'll get you a skincare consultation. Let's see what else I see. Can't wait until May for a consult, guys.
May?
You guys are in May. Let's get that consult, guys. Talk to your coordinator. We're happy to let you consult sooner to get you skincare ahead of time.
Exactly.
Oh, so, yeah, it looks painful. Is she asleep, guys? No, she just has numbing.
She just has a very strong will. A will to fight against these acne scars. And she has nerve blocks. So I'm doing a second pass because she has super deep scars. I want you guys to know that.
What is it, you guys? This is going to be our deep microneedling radio frequency. Right now, we are using our Pixelate by Aurora Aesthetics.
Doesn't look pretty.
Our May consults said they're pregnant, but as soon as they're not, they're going to be coming to you.
Well, we can actually do treatments during pregnancy, you guys, so I think you should call us. I mean, sometimes skincare is enough. Roller, derma rolling, there's a lot of things you can actually do.
Oh, wow, they're doing a lot with us. They're doing tummy tuck and lipo.
Oh, amazing. Okay, turn all the way to the right.
We can't wait. See you guys.
Okay?
Hopefully let us know on social media. Are you going to use PRP at the end of this?
Oh, of course.
Yes, we are, guys. We love using that. We use our exosomes too.
Exactly, and sometimes we add A-cell, which are our pig's bladder stem cell. So we have a lot of options in terms of healing and getting her to heal faster. The key is skincare. You guys have to prep and you have to post-treat, and you have to be okay knowing that for a while after laser, it's not going to always look great. It's going to take time for it to heal.
We have the OMG, I need this, people, guys. Send us a DM with your full name, email, and phone number, and we'll have our team reach out to you. Let's see what other questions.
And our skincare protocols are at MRHcosmetics.com, but you can do virtual consultations with our staff. Tell them how to do that.
Guys, you guys can go to MRHcosmetics.com. We're happy to get you a consult on there. We'll get you talking to one of our lovely estheticians, our skincare specialist. And we have people asking, is this helpful for large pores?
It is actually,
It is,
especially
guys.
at the lower deep setting or lower settings. We combine it with lighter lasers like the Clear and Brilliant or the Moxie laser, or with peels using my Aerify mask. Jordan, you used Aerify mask.
I did, I loved it.
Tell them about
It
it.
was so great, guys. My skin had a lot of sun damage, and it ended up lifting all that off. It made my skin a lot more even, got rid of the redness. And then it was so great, we did it again with our War Aesthetics Pico laser.
Do you have a picture you can show them, a result
I
on
don't
it?
have, but you guys check out our page. You guys will see me on there.
So what I would do is show them what she looked like again before, and then do you have any picture you could show them of how she looked right after the acne is gone, like right before this
I have
treatment?
my phones up close. Let's see. So here, guys, this is what our patient looked like before coming to us, guys. So check that out. And now let me show you what she looks like today before we put all the topical numbing on.
Okay, turn to the right a little bit more.
Right there.
To the right.
So you guys
Everyone does that. Everyone.
Scars today.
Literally, you could be the smartest person in the world, and if you're laying flat, you always want to go the other
What kind
direction.
of anesthesia do we use?
So topical and nerve blocks, and we can
Topical
also
nerve
give
blocks.
pills and shots. You can go to sleep
I
if you
wasn't aware
want.
someone wasn't aware they could combine microneedling with laser right after. You must not be following us.
Tell them they're not following enough
You
of my
guys, You're not
videos.
following us and watching our videos. We
And
do that all
YouTube.
the time.
Been doing it for years, guys. Years and years.
Dr. Emer's the king of that.
Pioneered all the combinations, and that's actually why we're gonna see an amazing result on
What
her.
products do you suggest for dark skin spots?
So it's really important you guys do a virtual consult from Emer Cosmetics. We can go through the different peel options like Enlighten and Cosmolon. We can go through my Aerify mask. There's specific products that I love for pigmentation like the Cosmolon 2, the Restore C10X, Cispera. Cispera is one of my favorite products that's out there right now. And different spot treatments. Even the Acne Forte by Revskin, which is a benzoyl peroxide. It has vitamin C in it. It gets rid of brown spots really well. The Jan Marini BioClear Cream has a mushroom extract in it that I love. There's a lot of options. So we're doing a second pass. Remember I told you guys her scars are, again, those stellate pseudo scars, those deeper white scars. So we need to do a little bit more. Let's wipe off a little bit of the blood first. Yeah, like one facial wipe pass. So I'm doing an extra pass. A lot of what you see from this bleeding, you guys, is just the strength and depth of the microneedling.
Someone said, hey guys, Dr. Emer did microneedling and COT on me, and I'm loving the results. I know who the patient is.
Oh.
You had great results.
That's
Love having
amazing. Amazing. I love that. That's great. That makes me super happy. That's all I care about. Is that people have good results. Okay, so I'm gonna go a little bit above your lip right now. Sorry, honey. I'm getting her through it. She's doing really, really, really well. And you guys can see it very thorough, okay? It's really important. You're very, very, very thorough when you do treatments like this. You don't want any striping. Although I will say striping is normal for CO2 for a little bit of time, but you don't want long-term issues, which you won't get if you use skincare.
What do you recommend for aftercare for such an aggressive treatment? Guys, if you go to our page, we have our ablative laser aftercare package. You guys can use that with us, or you can use it anywhere else if you can't make it to Dr. Emer to get your laser done.
And they could do a virtual consult. We can go over and customize the regimen as well.
We'll customize it to your skin, your goals, and the treatments that you plan on getting. Make sure you're pre, post-treated, and just maintaining your skin.
But the ablative aftercare package is perfect. I put that together on purpose.
We have several packages on our page. We'll have even more stuff coming soon.
So again, I'm going over some areas that she has some scars. We're wiping off some of the blood right now. It's perfect. Just just making sure it's completely even. Like I said, very meticulous approach. Turn this way, let me take a look so you guys can see. There's just some small areas that I want to just overlap. Rosa did a really
You
good
guys
job
be very
being the
careful when
field.
you're getting. I would say, guys, be very careful where you go when you get microneedling radial frequency. We just had a patient come in, one of our friends
Fully burned.
got burned from this by an inexperienced provider, bad technique.
And it required 2 lasers and 2 peels to clear it, but now she looks like a Disney
Now
princess.
she looks good. We'll share that with you guys very soon on our
That's what I
feed.
told her. She looks like a Disney. She does.
Yeah.
We've got a lot of great results that we can't wait to show everyone.
All right, you guys, she did great. We're gonna re-topical numb her now. You can take a look at what it looks like right after an aggressive treatment. We're gonna re-topically numb her, and then we're gonna go live when we do our CO2. And I'm really excited because I just want to see this transformation for her. She had really deep scars, really terrible acne. It's gonna be like a new life for her after a couple of these lasers. So stay tuned. All right, you did really